The Cedarburg mountain range, 2 hours north of Cape Town. Rugged sandstone formations, pristine wilderness, and fynbos vegetation. In a secluded green valley surrounded by barren mountains lies the private Karoo-Kareb Wilderness Reserve, 1,000 hectares in size. Only a limited number of guests at a time can have this authentic nature experience. Cozy lodge accommodation is offered in the main homestead, with a proper old-fashioned lounge with fireplace and a veranda. Or one can choose a luxury safari tent with glorious views over the natural fynbos to the majestic mountains beyond. The tents are situated on the banks of the perennial Jan Dissels River, with its clear drinking water and rich bird life.
Enjoy.
The day on Karoo-Kareb starts with a wholesome breakfast. The magnificent fynbos vegetation in the reserve can be encountered on a hiking trail along the valley floor. Crystal clear rock pools invite you to go for a refreshing swim.
My name is Tian. I'm a local field guide. I'm going to show you some fynbos plants and let's go and see what we can find.
Guests wanting to learn about the unique plant life in the Cedarburg can embark on a tour with an experienced field guide.
This is called kapokbos, or wild rosemary. If you smell the plant, it's very rosemary type of smell. It's a very nice smell, especially.
And there are guided horse trails for beginners and advanced riders to experience the wilderness on horseback. The rooibos tea plant grows exclusively in the Cedarburg.
Rooibos needs certain things to grow, and this is the only area in the world where we have all these things together.
Visit a rooibos farm close to Karoo-Kareb and learn about the unique production process.
Only when it is red to the tip of this stem, then it is really ripe enough to be harvested and of the best quality.
Back at the lodge, dinner is ready. Round the day off with Karoo-Kareb's excellent country cuisine in the thatched restaurant or al fresco under the bright Cedarburg stars.